Commerce, the beating heart of business. Commerce happens in your local store, as well as in your home, involving a complex system that stretches around the globe. Today, the three aspects of commerce that are developing most rapidly are insights, personalization, and fulfillment. In this section, we'll take a look at fulfillment, the way that customer orders are managed and delivered by the enterprise. With the right capabilities, a company can manage their entire order fulfillment process, improve customer satisfaction, and make the supply chain more efficient. Our story begins with our customer, Lily, going online to purchase a bike from VT Living. There are many options for fulfilling an order that can dictate both Lily's level of satisfaction and VT Living's overall profitability. Using the order management system, VT Living can examine inventory across all locations, such as stores, manufacturers, or the supply chain. With this visibility, the order can be fulfilled in the way that best meets Lily's preference and the retailer's business objectives. We can see immediately that the bike Lily wants is available not only in stores near her home, but also from several distribution partners and warehouses. Without human input, the order management system goes to work using its repository of information about demand and inventory. Since inventory and demand are continually refreshed, a single view of all inventory, regardless of location, is always available. The order management system makes well-informed, real-time decisions on how to fulfill the order. For Lily's order, the solution uses customer preference, business rules defined by VT Living, as well as information from its stores and supply chain to prioritize how to fulfill her order. Business rules play a critical role in providing the intelligence of order orchestration and can be set up in a variety of ways, tailored to fit any business. They can be designed to prioritize fulfillment by cost, physical location, demand history, and many other factors. In an omni-channel world, the order management system functions as a repository for all this information, with the ability to act on it to save the enterprise money. For example, a rule like always fulfill an order from the nearest possible source will apply here because VT Living has given priority to Lily getting her bike as quickly as possible. But let's say Lily would rather pick up the bike at a nearby store and not pay for shipping. In this case, the solution notifies the store and a communication is delivered to the sales associate to assemble the bike. This mobile notification becomes a critical step in meeting Lily's delivery expectations. The sales associate can see from Lily's profile that she likes a certain brand of helmet, and so he sets aside the latest version, giving him an opportunity to offer it to her when she arrives. Lily likes the helmet, but wants it in a color to match the bike, one that the store does not have in stock. Using the inventory visibility capability, the sales associate easily finds the helmet at a nearby store and offers to ship it directly to her home. Instead of losing part of Lily's order, the sale is made and she receives it the next day at home without any inconvenience. In addition to making Lily happier by satisfying her immediate needs quickly and easily, the solution has increased the value of the order to Lily and helps drive profitability for the store. An order management system makes the enterprise more efficient, using total visibility of inventory to make better decisions, and in real time, orchestrating product fulfillment processes to keep everyone informed of the tasks needed to meet the customer's delivery expectations.
Growing up, my family and I did a lot of camping and canoeing and bike rides, but it was just more kind of something that like you did. I didn't really look at it as a hobby. When I was in college and I was shopping at Moose Jaw, I thought, oh my gosh, that's my sense of humor, like I could do this. So after I graduated from school and I started working with Moose Jaw, it kind of opened up my eyes to like all of the other kinds of things that you can do outdoors.
It's not so much the act of camping as it is the social aspects of camping. It's about going with friends and spending time with friends. And I think the essence is engagement. And that's why I think Moose Jaw's done something truly innovative where they've carried in that social experience into all of the interactions they have as a business.
My main role here is to make sure that we're not taking the easy way out, but doing it the Moose Jaw way, which we call the Moose Jaw Madness. Our vision is to be the most fun outdoor retailer on the planet, and we really strongly believe that if you're not having fun at work, you cannot project fun to the customer, right? Use technology almost as a way to gain that customer's trust that, here's a company that really is on it, right? And so if they're on the cutting edge of technology, then they must be on the cutting edge of outdoor product, and that customer wanting to be part of a group of customers that get it, that get where the market is going.
The mission of Smarter Commerce is to help our clients with this evolving technology. It's an opportunity for them to transform how they interact and really build a demographic of one so that they can speak directly to that individual customer in a meaningful way.
Everything that we look to do in terms of our commerce is to have a seamless experience for the customer. And really what brought us to IBM was the vision around multi-channel. Most companies, they would have a separate system for their POS, they'd have a separate e-commerce site, they might have a separate mobile site, and then they'd have a separate call center system. For us, it's all the same system.
So regardless of how you connect to me, whether you're physically standing with me in the store or you're surfing the web or you're walking down the street looking at your mobile device, you can interact with the brand seamlessly.
Moose Jaw customers make up this community. You'll be walking down the street and you see someone else wearing Moose Jaw, and you can give them the nod because they get it.
Hi, this is Brian Daniel, and in this short video, I will demonstrate how IBM's Smarter Commerce and digital experience solutions can be used to empower the e-commerce professional while reinventing the customer engagement. Let's begin at the Greenwheels storefront, which is being served by IBM WebSphere Commerce. Greenwheels is passionate about biking and provides their customers with the latest bikes, gears, and clothing. Their site presents customers with a wealth of information, including some of the featured products such as the new Aurora Road Racer. The product page contains product-specific information as well as other upsell and cross-sell opportunities. However, what really differentiates and connects Greenwheels with its customers is the additional knowledge center information that is included as part of the experience. With such insightful knowledge and expertise made freely available, customers feel confident that Greenwheels will help them select the best products for their needs and will also keep them coming back for more information even after a purchase decision. This information is authored and managed by the subject matter experts within Greenwheels, all without IT or developer involvement, and is one example of how the IBM WebSphere Commerce storefront can include dynamic, personalized content from IBM Web Content Manager. Clicking on the article to view the full details can be handled in various ways. For example, the article details may appear within a Lightbox dialog window. Another method, as shown in this example, is to show the article details on its own dedicated page, with additional surrounding content and/or targeted promotions. In this side-by-side configuration, users are able to seamlessly navigate between the shopping cart product pages and the Knowledge Center content pages. But before we move any further, let's take a closer look at how additional Knowledge Center articles can be added into the experience. The Web Content Management dashboard is fully configurable and can be personalized in a basic view such as this one or a more detailed view. Quick access to any working drafts, items pending approval, and one-click access to create new content items are available. In this example, by choosing to create a new Knowledge Center article, the content author is provided with an easy form for entering content information. This also includes the ability to browse a digital asset management repository for rich media. Authors are able to easily locate the most effective rich media by metadata, including color, which by the way is automatically indexed by the server. For example, Clicking on brown shows pictures that have a primarily brown color. Hey look, it found me, 'cause I'm brown. But for this example, an image that has been tagged as green wheels will be selected. The authoring experience includes an industry-leading rich text editor. And yes, it can cleanly handle the copying and pasting of content from external sources such as Microsoft Word. A wealth of features are provided, including spell checking, adjusting styles, inserting images and links, just to name a few. If you find the real estate too small to work with, the rich text editor can be expanded to a full window view. It's like working within a full-fledged document editor. And once the content has been entered, it can be saved and sent along the workflow process for approval. Taking a quick look at the storefront site, we can see that the newly created article is now included on the list. As previously mentioned, clicking on the article takes us to a page containing the full article details and associated promotions. The navigation bar at the top of the page, along with the highlighted products at the bottom of the page, provides seamless navigation between the content-based knowledge center and the product-specific shopping pages. It's important to note that the highlighted products are being retrieved from the Commerce Store in real time via the Digital Data Connector, or DDC for short. By using the DDC, we can easily integrate product-specific data onto the page, in effect, treating the data as content itself. This means we can control what is displayed and how it is displayed, similar to how content is authored. In this example, DDC was configured to allow non-technical users to select one or more products from the Commerce Store. Note that the DDC is not limited to just showing information. It can also drive actions, such as adding an item to the shopping cart or beginning the checkout process. So far, we've spent some time looking into how content may be authored. But at this point, you might be asking yourself, how does one get content items, such as the listing of Knowledge Center articles, integrated into the Greenwheels Commerce storefront page? Well, let's take a look at that in the next part of the demo. We will begin by starting the WebSphere Commerce Management Center and navigating to the Commerce Composer tool, which allows us to manage aspects of the store site. Once in Commerce Composer, we select the store to preview, and in this example, that will be the Greenwheels store. After navigating to the Aurora Road Racer product page, we can see the list of Knowledge Center articles that was worked on in the previous part of this demo. What we want to do is add additional content spot to this page. To do this, we choose to view the page layout information. Observe that the page layout consists of a number of components, which are named widgets. It appears that container 10 is currently open for a new widget. The widget catalog includes a number of different types of widgets, but the one we're interested in is a widget named Content Recommendation. And as the name suggests, this widget can be used to display content, including dynamic content from IBM Web Content Manager. After searching for and adding the widget to the page layout, we must configure it with content that is to be displayed. This is accomplished by choosing to add one or more content assets to this spot. Observe that the content picker seamlessly allows us to browse the IBM Web Content Manager repository for content items. These content items can be everything from simple content lists, rich media content, and even content items which leverage targeted personalization rules. Now that we've selected an existing content item, let's see how it will be rendered within the product page. Observe that the newly added adventure content spot appears within the Commerce Store page, although it still needs a bit more work. By choosing to view page information, additional controls that provide direct access to editing content is made available. This type of content allows for the display of videos, and the out-of-the-box integration with Brightcove allows us to easily browse our video repository. One of the great features about this integration is that any new videos that are uploaded will automatically be transcoded into the various formats and resolutions. This takes away all the technical challenges of dealing with rich content such as videos, and it makes it as easy as selecting what we want when we want. Saving and previewing the storefront again shows us the newly added adventure video, which is streamed to the browser. And by the way, because this is all responsive, it will look great on mobile devices. I hope you enjoyed this short demo. To recap, we began by seeing an example of how an IBM Web Server Commerce storefront page can include dynamic content from IBM Web Content Manager, and how that content can be authored. We also saw how tools like the Digital Data Connector and shared page menus allows for seamless navigation between environments. And lastly, we covered the process of how additional content spots or widgets may be added to the Commerce page layout. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to me via email at BryanD, B-R-Y-A-N-D as in Daniel, at us.ibm.com. Thank you.
Commerce, the beating heart of business. Commerce doesn't just happen in your local store anymore. It's something that can happen anywhere and involves a complex system that stretches around the globe. The three aspects that are most transforming commerce and changing customer demands and expectations are fulfillment, insights, and personalization. In this section, we'll take a look at insights. We will explore customer analytics and insight and examine the concepts of customer struggle and data preparation. Debbie, a campaign manager for VT Living, is accustomed to using both customer and digital analytics to create successful campaigns. Most recently, she applied the analysis from some of the positive social media content from customers to create a campaign around keywords the customers were using in their social posts. 2 days in, when reviewing digital analytics from the VT Living website, she noticed a problem. While click-throughs showed there was clearly resonance from the keywords she had chosen, once arriving at the offer, customers were dropping off without converting to a sale. It's this problem that alerts Debbie that she needs to take a closer look at what's going on. She goes to her digital analytics dashboard and identifies a segment of customers who visited the site but at the same point in their experience seemingly struggled to convert. Once she's identified this group of customers within the data, Debbie can take that specific set and run some deeper analysis. She turns to the e-commerce team for help. Using customer experience analytics, the analyst drills down so far that he can actually replay individual customer interactions, click by click, and tell Debbie exactly when the customer struggled and why they are dropping off at this specific point. The analyst determines that it was not a user error issue, but an IT glitch that was causing the customer struggle. The analyst is able to have the problem quickly repaired. Debbie prepares an offer for the affected customers that not only apologizes for the glitch, but offers them a 20% discount if they return to purchase. Because VT Living used customer analytics, they are able to identify those customers who were able to finish their purchase via another channel and not inadvertently offer a discount for product already purchased. Debbie's actions transformed a frustrated customer back into a loyal customer, building trust and advocacy.
On a smarter planet, leading organizations understand that engaging in a smarter commerce approach depends on having a true 360-degree view of today's empowered customers. When, where, and why are customers searching for products and services? What did they purchase 6 months ago, and what will they buy 6 months from now? What's influencing this behavior? Smarter Commerce from IBM enables companies to respect privacy while tracking consumer behavior, past and present, to engage each customer as an individual. Customers can further refine their search to find the right items, at the right place, in the right location. Smarter Commerce can help transform your business to better engage with the connected consumer, helping you stay ahead of demand. And it all starts with a search, followed by a targeted, personalized promotion that leads to a sale. But sometimes plans change. Smarter commerce can even happen through social networking, with funds being exchanged via a simple tap on a smartphone. Returns can be accomplished with a simple call. Once the manufacturer receives the item, reverse payment can be made to the retailer. Of course, a smarter commerce approach optimizes the process behind the scenes to ensure a seamless consumer experience. This value chain includes a communication services provider, empowering a manufacturer to market with SMS based on key customer segments within the market. The retailer receives customer orders and synchronizes delivery from various points along its supply chain. Payments are securely managed by the bank, from the customer to the retailer and then on to the manufacturer, distribution center and communications company, so that all parties are compensated. Synchronizing the entire value chain, delivering a seamless experience across all channels, engaging with customers as individuals. This is Smarter Commerce from IBM.
How do your online merchandisers gain customer and business performance insights so they can effectively market and sell your products online? What is the source of their information? Can they act on it? IBM Commerce Insights zeroes in on valuable insights from customer and business data, so online merchandisers can take immediate action to boost customer engagement and sales. Olivia is an online fashion merchandiser. She needs relevant customer and business data at her fingertips, along with the ability to respond quickly to market opportunities. She also wants to see how her actions impact revenue and margin goals. Olivia has configured IBM Commerce Insights, so she has a quick and easy view of store, category, and product performance. She can see sales trends and easily identify underperforming products. For instance, she sees that the Sleek Fit line isn't performing well, and she wants to investigate what's gone wrong. In her pre-configured view of the Sleek Fit launch, Olivia can sort products by best and worst performers to quickly determine which products need the most help. She can also view the Sleek Fit launch page as her customers see it. IBM Commerce Insights layers analytics and insights on top of store pages, enabling Olivia to understand how product presentation and other factors are influencing sales. She digs deeper to find the root cause of her underperforming Sleek Fit launch with the help of Watson Analytics. Watson Analytics analyzes her commerce data and presents Olivia with interesting starting points. She can now explore it in new, highly visual ways. She sees how products are performing by state and device type, and she notices that sales in South Carolina are doing well due to strong mobile sales. Olivia explores sales by device type further, using Watson Analytics' ability to understand everyday language and provide relevant responses. She sees that mobile sales trend higher for women than for men. In addition, she notices that while mobile traffic is high, mobile sales for her Sleek Fit launch remain low. Olivia decides to create a 10% discount promotion for mobile shoppers. She does this, moving directly from her analytics view to take immediate action. Now Olivia has a target promotion based on real-time insights that will get the Sleek Fit line back on track. See how you can go from insight to action to results with IBM Commerce Insights. To learn more, visit IBM.com.